Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Amex how to transfer points. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to transfer points, what you need to do first is just simply head over and launch the Amex app, and then once you're inside there, what you need to do is tap on login and enter your username and password, and once that's done, simply tap on login. If you have registered with the Face ID, you can also select the login with the Face ID option and login with the Face ID as well. Then once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is here tap on the accounts option on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then once you're inside there, what you need to do is just scroll down and then select the option that says membership. Then once you're inside your membership, here you'll find an option that says redeem rewards or reward. Simply tap on that, and now what you need to do is select transfer points. Now choose your partner or link account or transfer account to simply transfer the points that you want to transfer it to. What you should know is transfer ratios vary from 1000 MR is equal to 1000 Delta Sky Miles, but 1000 MR is equal to 2000 Hilton Honor Points. Once transfer points cannot be moved back to Amex, some transfer require a small excess tag fee like US Airlines 0.0006 per point max is $99, and always check if booking through Amex Travel gives a better deal before transferring. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.